So for this particular problem, it says, suppose that the AP Calculus students complained and insisted that they should use SAT math scores to estimate verbal scores. And it says, what is the regression analysis of math SAT versus verbal SAT? And here they give us some information. And then it asks us, what's the correlation between the two, right? So they're really, I think, when they say correlation, they're talking about the correlation coefficient. So they should have said coefficient. Then the coefficient, and so remember that that R is the correlation coefficient, and that's equal to the square root of R squared. Okay? So what is R squared? Is there a way that you can find that? Well, remember, this is from exercise 47, and I think that let me see if they do that. Yeah, that's the part. That's the tough part. So you'd have to go back. This is the you have to go back and look at question number 47. Huh? Yeah. Well, I'm gonna capture it from the screen so that you guys can see it. But that's probably the confusing part. You guys are probably like, I don't know what that is. So then if you go back and look at question number 47, you've got some additional information. So let me put that information on the screen here. Yeah, that's correct. Let me put it on the screen here. Oops. And so the value of this, if you scroll down, this is the number we need. So it's literally a matter of just taking the square root of that. So you're just going to go the square root of, but you got to convert it as a decimal, right? So that would be 0.469. Mm-hmm. And then if you just plug that in the calculator. Where's my calculator at? Here you go. No, I got one. I want to put it on the screen. So I'm just going to, thank you though. So I'm going to take the square root of 0.469. And I get 0.6, it will round it up to 0.865. Okay. So, and then that's basically it. So what does that mean? It's a positive correlation. It's not the strongest. And then that's it. They just wanted to know what the correlation was. It's a positive correlation, but it's not the strongest. Okay? Does that help? Yeah.